Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is your cutie Therese, and we're at Marilug in the Philippines, in Davao City. Like, wait, I'm in the basement, so let's look upstairs. Wait. So I'm here with my family, with my mom. This is our last day. This is our last day, and I'm so sad that we're going on a restaurant later. Oi! We're going on a restaurant later. Go on a restaurant. We're going. I don't know what it's called, but my auntie just, she decided where to go. And let's give a room tour or a resort tour because I'm bored. So there's the backyard. This is the living room and a beautiful mirror. This is the kitchen. My pink house. Now let's go to the basement. Hello, Barbie. This is the basement where we all sleep. There's another mirror. And another toilet was small. Okay, now this is the, I don't know what it's called. Let's go down. Yeah. This is the view, and it's so hot. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. So, it's the pool. It's so, oh my gosh. I want to touch it again. I want to steam again. To swim. Now, a couch. And another, that is the campfire and the amazing view again. Just sit for a while. Just because I'm bored, I'm just gonna stay here for minutes. Oh my gosh, it's so watery. Okay, so now let's go to the. Oh, ouch. Let's go upstairs. The couch. Right there. So let's go. So this is the seats. Say hi, say hi.
Hi. Where's my goggle and the swimming pool? Swimming pool?
We're not going to swimming pool anymore. We're going to restaurant later.
What's the sir?
Stop speaking gibberish.
No.
What? Where's their spider?
The bottle and the water here.
Now let's go upstairs again. Because they're jingle bell, jingle bell,
Jingle bell. No.
You're too short. Jingle bell, jingle. Wait. Here. Bye. Ruby. Good job. Jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Sa Christmas sabi mo, why are we singing that?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. That is right.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Jingle bells. Jingle bell. Jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell,
bells.
sleigh and jingle bell.
Jingle bell, jingle
Never
bell.
mind, let's go upstairs.
Upstairs.
No, that's down. Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yes, of course. Not downstairs.
Hi, wake up lang.
My gosh, it's so long. My gosh. Stop. Take your shoes off. Okay, ito tagkuhan, living room. Ito living room. Ina.
Ayaw po.
Wala ka cellphone?
Ha?
Wala ka cellphone gamit?
Wala.
Ay. Oh my gosh, a flower.
Be, be.
This is mine.
Jingle bell,
It's not even Christmas. Sniper, 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 sniper. Ba. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. There's good game. Shit, like. It's my turn. Wait, let me put this on my credit.
It is not Jurassic Park. It's not Jurassic Park. Jesus.
Okay, I'll be back if we're going to the restaurant because I'm bored. So I'm just gonna use my phone. I'm just gonna go upstairs and play Avatar World.
Joyce, where? Sana.
Of course.
Hoy, ugly ka? You bad cry.
Boom. At the car and we went to the restaurant. Why am I crying? I'm not. I was at a You were driving to the restaurant. So, see you at the restaurant. The view. Oh, not that view. There's the real view. Oh, the view right there. Bye-bye view.
Mas kamala ka na wala sa Thanos.
I cannot see the view.
Ah, wala sa Thanos dire. Di ba na wala sa Thanos?
Okay, bye-bye. Uy. We're here at the restaurant. Sige, it's called Pilgrim.
Oh, dito ba ako? Buy some links.
So nice here.
Ito may special.